Most careers don't start with ambition, they start with permission. Permission from parents, from college, from companies. Sayam never waited for permission. Ambala, near Chandigarh, a regular city. Sayam grew up here. He scored 92% in 10th and 91% in 12th. Good enough to take the standard 2. But while most students prepared for the entrance exam, Sayam prepared for the real world. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a question most students never ask early. How do business actually works?
Once you have built something real, you can't see the world like a student anymore. You will start seeing problems that need ownership. When the environment supports you, you can handle much more without burning out. I never got excited about just clearing the exams. I wanted to build things that people actually use.
Right after 12, Sayam didn't apply for jobs. He built one. With a friend, he started a small content marketing agency. No brands, no funds, just skills. First job was basic, like landing pages and small websites. And within a year, clients weren't local anymore. California, Sydney, ambition as a cost, moving from Ambala to Bangalore, convincing families, letting go of international plans, handling college fees. But Sayam didn't want a degree. He wanted momentum. That's why he chose IOI. Where curriculum doesn't slow execution, where building doesn't have to wait. It wasn't the easiest decision, but it was the right one. Sayam joined IOI in August. At the same time, he was resuming his internship at CyberAX, which he has already secured before college. Today, he works as a full-stack developer. He manages interns and oversees teams. When a founder approached him with an idea called Asta, he didn't hesitate. He became the tech co-founder. He built the website, the app, the foundation from scratch, all alone. Sayam rejected a high-paying internship at Pocket FM, not out of ego, but out of clarity. A fixed 9 to 5 would slow him down. And speed matters when you're building something from zero. He doesn't chase titles, he designs systems.
I'm done aiming for a seat at the table. Now I'm building the table and deciding who sits there.
This isn't just a student story. This is a builder learning in public. And when the system supports a process, they compound.